Let's get all our friends to sign and they can tell their friends, we must save the rainforest. Vivienne Westwood, fashion designer, friend.
I'm supporting the Princess Rainforest project because I believe that planet Earth is even more important than planet fashion.
Hi, I'm Sarah Harding and I'm here to support the Princess Rainforest project.
Anything that anybody can do to try and help the rainforest is a wonderful thing, so I absolutely salute and support you 1,000,000%.
Hey, I'm Daisy Lowe and I'm a model and I support the Princess Rainforest project.
My name's Tracy Emin, I'm an artist and I strongly support this project.
Hi, my name is Lisa and I'm supporting the Princess Rainforest project. As you know, I'm in the Vivienne Westwood dress and I'm just absolutely honoured that she's asked me to wear it and model it for her today.
Hello, I'm Peaches Gallup. I'm a journalist and I support the Princess Rainforest project.